Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Sanitizer Test Strips is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone serious about maintaining a hygienic environment, whether in a professional kitchen, a healthcare facility, or even your own home. These simple yet powerful strips allow you to quickly and accurately verify the concentration of sanitizing solutions, ensuring they are effective enough to kill harmful bacteria and viruses, thereby protecting you, your family, or your customers from potential health risks. Number 5. JustFitter pH Test Strips. Introducing JustFitter pH Test Strips, your simple solution for monitoring your body's alkaline and acid levels. Easily track your pH balance using saliva or urine. Understanding your body's pH is crucial for overall well-being. These strips allow you to conveniently monitor your levels at home. Get precise and reliable results in just a matter of seconds. No more waiting or guesswork when it comes to your health. You can easily track your pH levels using either saliva or urine samples. This offers flexibility and convenience for your monitoring routine. These test strips are designed for simplicity and effectiveness. They provide an easy way to stay informed about your body's internal balance. What we like. If you are looking to monitor your body's internal balance, this is the perfect tool. It provides highly accurate results for both saliva and urine in seconds. Choose this if you want a simple, quick way to track your pH levels for wellness. What people say. The strips are easy to use and provide quick results. Accurate readings for sanitizing solutions. Comes with a clear color chart for easy comparison. Number 4. Sani Test Chlorine Strips for Food Service. Ensure your sanitizing solutions are at the correct level with our fast and reliable chlorine test strips. Get instant results to meet health regulations. These strips come in a pocket-sized, splash-proof vial. It protects the instructions and color chart, making them easy to use anywhere. Designed for the food service industry, our test strips provide a rapid, 1-second chemical sanitation test. They are the leading choice for restaurants. They test chlorine levels in a range of 10 to 200 ppm, with clear markings for 10, 50, 100, and 200 ppm. This ensures accurate readings for your needs. These are specifically designed for testing chlorine sanitizers in restaurant 3-compartment sinks. They are not intended for pool or tap water testing. What we like. For restaurants and food service professionals, this is your go-to for ensuring proper sanitation. It's designed specifically for testing chlorine bleach in sanitizing solutions, offering fast, reliable readings within the required ppm range. If you need to comply with health regulations for food preparation areas, this is the ideal choice. What people say. They come with so many in the container and you have to be delicate with them. They accurately measure and you get more than enough to experiment with. Color chart included directly on each bottle, for potency level, 10 ppm, 50 ppm, 100 ppm, 200 ppm. Number 3. FryOilSaver Company. Restaurant Sanitizer Test Kit Combo. Ensure your commercial kitchen meets health and safety standards with this essential dual test kit. It provides accurate readings for both quaternary ammonium and chlorine sanitizers, helping you maintain compliance and hygienic practices. Simplify your sanitation routine with our easy-to-read color matching charts. Just dip a strip, wait a few seconds, and compare the color for instant, reliable results to verify sanitizer strength. This must-have kit for commercial kitchens and restaurants includes premium test strips for quat and chlorine. It delivers fast, accurate readings to ensure compliance with health regulations and optimal sanitation. Keep your kitchen clean and safe with our comprehensive sanitizer testing kit. It provides convenient testing for a wide range of sanitizer solutions, ensuring they are the correct strength for food safety. Get fast, accurate readings in seconds with our quat and chlorine sanitizer test strips. Simply dip, compare, and get immediate results, making it easy to monitor sanitizer levels and streamline your sanitation process. Designed for efficiency in busy environments, these strips provide reliable readings to ensure your sanitizers are performing effectively. They are ideal for restaurants and food service operations, helping you maintain food safety standards with ease. What we like. This kit is essential for commercial kitchens needing to test both quat and chlorine sanitizers. It offers an easy-to-read color chart for quick, accurate readings, ensuring compliance with food safety standards. If you manage a restaurant, cafeteria, or any food prep area and need a comprehensive solution for dual sanitizer testing, this is the product for you. What people say. The strips are easy to use and provide quick results. I appreciate the clear instructions that come with the strips. The accuracy of these strips is impressive, giving me confidence in my sanitizer's effectiveness. Number 2. WeAQUA DoubleCheck Water Hardness Test Kit. Introducing the WeAQUA DoubleCheck Water Hardness Test Kit, designed for precise and reliable water hardness measurements. Get accurate results every time with our advanced testing technology. Our unique DoubleCheck feature ensures reliability. Each strip has 2 identical color pads. If they differ after testing, you know to retest for the most trustworthy results. Achieve the most accurate results with the included sample cup. Simply fill it to the marked level to ensure your test is performed correctly. Get the best value with 200 strips in every box, offering the lowest cost per test. You get more strips for your money, ensuring you're always prepared. To ensure the longest possible shelf life, our strips are individually wrapped in foils of 50. This prevents unused strips from degrading due to air exposure. We've included dual top and bottom desiccants to keep your strips fresh for longer. This dual protection prevents moisture buildup, preserving the integrity of each strip. What we like. If you need to test water hardness with maximum reliability, this kit is a standout. Its unique double-color pad system helps ensure accurate results, and the individual wrapping keeps the strips fresh for a long time. For users who value precision and longevity in their water testing supplies, this is an excellent option. What people say. Ranges from 0 to 25 GPG and 0 to 425 ppm, which is basically the full emotional spectrum of water hardness. Excellent results. Hold strip under running water for 2 seconds and read. Very clear and precise results. The test strips are easy to use, just dip, wait, and read the result quickly. They deliver accurate readings within 1 or 2 degrees of more professional kits, which is impressive for such a simple tool. Number 1. FryOilSaver Company. WeAQUA Sanitizer Test Strips. Ensure your sanitizing solution is at the correct strength with these fast and easy-to-use test strips. Simply dip for 1 second and get accurate results in seconds. These strips accurately measure quaternary ammonium sanitizer concentration from 0 to 500 ppm. They feature clear color steps to ensure your solutions are mixed correctly for safety. Formulated specifically for quaternary ammonium sanitizers, these strips prevent cross-testing errors. They are ideal for use in various food service settings. Make confident decisions quickly with the easy-to-read color chart. This supports routine verification and helps maintain food service compliance. Each vial has a tight sealing cap to keep the strips clean, dry, and protected. This ensures they are ready for use whenever needed. Maintain the highest standards of sanitation and safety in your restaurant kitchen. These strips are a reliable tool for daily operations. What we like. This product is specifically designed for quaternary ammonium sanitizers, offering a wide measurement range for accurate WeAQUA testing. It's perfect for busy food service environments where maintaining correct sanitizer strength is critical. If your focus is on precise QUA testing for restaurant kitchens and food contact surfaces, this is the reliable choice. What people say. The vial contains 100 strips, which is a great value and lasts a long time, even with daily testing. They're easy to use and give clear, fast readings between 0–500 ppm, perfect for ensuring our sanitizer solutions meet health code standards. The instructions are straightforward, and the color chart on the vial makes comparing results quick and hassle-free. I also appreciate the compact, secure vial, which protects the strips from moisture and makes storage convenient. This product is great. Very easy and quick to use with quick results. Easily match colors for ppm measuring. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.